Hi everyone, my name is Emilio Melo and welcome to my course Extracting and Transforming Data with SSIS. I am a Cloud Solutions Architect at Cloud Advantage with focus on data and AI technologies. Data engineering is in the backbone of analytics, machine learning, and business intelligence processes, and SSIS is the main Microsoft on-premises tool for such tasks. In this course, we're going to cover how to utilize SSIS for ETL, extract, transform, and load operations. Some of the major topics that we're going to cover include how to install and configure the development environment for SSIS, how to design, debug, and execute packages, how to manage SSIS execution with the control flow, and how to transform and route data with the data flow operations. By the end of this course, you'll know how to create your own ETL packages with SSIS. Before beginning this course, you should have some basic familiarity with relational databases and SQL scripting. From here, you should feel comfortable diving into other BI topics such as data warehousing or reporting. I hope you join me on this journey to learn SSIS with Extracting and Transforming Data in SSIS course at Pluralsight.